Okay, hello everybody. We got 14 switches, regular switches. See how much brass we can get out of these bad boys really quickly. I'm gonna smash them open. We'll weigh them up before we do that, and then weigh them up after and see how much brass and how much scrap we got. Let's go. There's the 1.5 pounds just about. So that's roughly nothing. It's like 7 cents. So let's see how much brass we can get out of here and make some money. Now we done smashy everything. Let's pulley the. See if we make any money off of it. The trim. The trash. The trash. Three ways to extra brass. A couple more 3 ways. Still have a lot of brass in. Yes. A little contact on them. How do you got my You can pretty quickly. Smash them all. Get them all ready. Perfect partner. And nothing's going to make them off. You brass all day long. We're at 8 minutes, and that's with me bashing, setting stuff up, and everything else. I mean, that ain't bad. If I wasn't filming, this would be a lot quicker. Ain't much, but it's something. Let's see. 2 pounds, 5 ounces with the bucket. So I got 2 ounces of brass out of it. Not much, but worth way more than 6 cents.